Every tax season, advisors are losing hours chasing clients' 1099s, W-2s, receipts, you name it. Slow onboarding, bad paperwork, missing files. Over time, it all adds up. And for that reason, I created a seamless workflow to not only save you hours, but helps keep your clients responsible for giving you the necessary files they need so you can help them. So in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating exactly how we can get that done. Now, typically most firms wait until it's too late. Clients forget, you have incomplete packets, you have, work that drags out for days and days, or maybe even weeks, depending on when they decide to, start the whole process or contact you to begin with. The moment that they're in your client database, they can be reminded in one sequential workflow automatically. With one clean reminder sequence, they can upload everything they need, and then you and your team gets hours back that you could be using to handle the actual filing itself or to scale your firm up. Now, this right here is the workflow behind everything. But before I show this right here, let's go to the actual form itself and demonstrate it live. Let me see. Devin, mobile last name, test name, my email, use this one. I'll leave the phone number blank for right now for demoing. Nidus, and my role is CPO, and I do consent. Now, go ahead, give me 1 second. Oh, okay, it's required. Okay, let's just do, okay. Submit, boom, there we go. Now, if we go over to the database for this example, I'm gonna be using Sheets really quick, boom. So let's just pretend that this right here is your CRM or wherever you keep your clients' information at. Now, if they're marked as a tax filing client, they're going to be sent a reminder automatically after X amount of time at the end of the year, beginning of the year, whenever their tax season is coming around. So now if we go back to this workflow, go ahead, hit trigger, boom. Now, go ahead, without getting too technical, it's going to go ahead, scrape through everyone who needs to get a email. So for this example, it's gonna be one person. We're gonna wait. Now, I don't know if you can see right here on my watch, but I just got an email for filing. Okay, so if we look right here, we can clearly see that an email was sent to remind the client to file. Now, if we go back to the workflow, right now it's set for 3 seconds, but you can change this to be 3 days, 5 days, however long you want them to be reminded again afterwards. Now, we're gonna go in here and say, let's just say they document uploaded, let's say no. Go ahead, boom, do that. Actually, yep, yeah, okay, we do that, boom. Open here, boom, boom, boom. I run for 3 seconds, boom, okay. And then boom. Now, since we changed their status or, inside of here, now this is a test. So some of these fields are a little bit, thrown around from, just testing things out. But since we changed the document uploaded to no, that means they never responded or actually uploaded any of the documents that was needed. So now they're gonna get another email. And if they don't respond, again, in however long or interval you want, they are now going to get a voice call from AI agents. So let's go ahead and run that. Wait 3 seconds, wait a second. There we go.
Hi, this is Riley calling from your tax preparation team. I'm reaching out to remind you that we're still missing a few of your documents for this year's return. Do you have a moment?
Yes, I do. Can you tell me which forms I'm missing exactly?
Of course. Let me pull up your file. 1 moment. All right. It looks like we're still missing the following documents. Your due-2 form from your employer, a 1099 INT form for interest income. Would you like me to walk you through how to upload these, or do you already have them ready to send?
Okay, here we go. As we can see, you can easily have a voice agent. Honestly, you can even put the voice agent in the beginning. You can skip emails completely and just go straight to voice agents if that's what you want to do. And then from there, based on that call, whatever, they go through it, talk to it. You can wait another 2 days, 3 days, go through that whole process again of checking for them sending in the documents, check the database. If they sent it at either step, really, you can get a reminder or get a notification to your team via Slack, Gmail, SMS, whatever you prefer. From there, your team can say, okay, John uploaded all their documents, or they claim they did. Let's check and see if it's correct, if it's in the correct format. Can we use it? Is everything up to date? Is this last year's or this year, et cetera, et cetera. And then from there, based on what your team says or what you say, you can continue this flow or just end it right there for the specific person. Now, this can easily save you 10, 15 hours in just chasing things down and reviewing everything and going back and forth. It saves you a lot of time, especially during a busy season like tax season. You don't want to spend anything that you don't have to time-wise on admin work. In 2025, you don't have to spend that much time on admin work to begin with, especially if you're an owner or a small team. You need to make the most out of your size and your working hours in a day. This one workflow can cut out all the chasing, the waiting, last minute scrambles, everything. If you want a checklist on exactly how you can reduce the not in good orders for your firm, click the description down below. I should have a link somewhere down there, or just check the pinned comment in the comments and you can click the link, get a free checklist. And then from there, it might not be as efficient as this right here, but you can definitely double check everything you're doing right now, especially if you have CRMs or software, anything going on in your business that could be optimized in a better way. So again, it's 2025. You don't have to go chasing people down with cold calls and everything else just to get the needed documentation, the file anymore. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And again, if you need something like this in your business, don't hesitate to click the link down below in the description for a free call. We can sit down 15, 20 minutes, talk about your current structure, which you have going on right now. And if installing something like this or anything really that you might need for your business right now, as far as automations go, as far as just reducing admin work for you and even your clients, we can figure that out. Again, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.